Hi, let's go through this short video on how to assign outreach teachers for Sierra Vista Hospital in MBO. As you sign into MBO, you will arrive at the classes page. At the classes page, click on month. Once you click on month, the calendar will open. To note, for Sierra Vista Hospital, classes happen on Saturday and Sunday. And on Saturday, the classes are called Psych 3 and Psych 4. You see how when I hover on Psych 4 under Room, you see Outreach SVH, which is Sierra Vista Hospital. Under Psych 3, you see how it mentions Outreach SVH, which is again Outreach Sierra Vista Hospital. So under Saturday, it is Psych 3, Psych 4. And under Sunday, it is Psych 5 and Psych 6. Again, when you hover, you will see Room Sierra Vista Hospital. Again, when you hover on Psych 6, it says Sierra Vista Hospital. The next thing to note that is if a teacher went in to teach on either Saturday or Sunday, the same given teacher will teach two classes back to back. So if a teacher went in on Saturday, the teacher will teach Psych 3 and then teach Psych 4. The same teacher teaches both the classes back to back. So we will need to assign the teacher for both the classes. Today, for example, we will assign for 10/22 October 22nd, and we will assign the teacher Nick. So let us find the date October 22nd. Moving to October 22nd, which is a Sunday, and Sierra Vista is Psych 5 and Psych 6. You see how it says SVH. So let's start by assigning for Psych 5. Once you come to Psych 5, click on Psych 5 and then click on the right top hand corner here and then say change instructor. Once you say change instructor, you will arrive to this page. The first thing to make sure on this page is that the date is correct, 10/22, end date is 10/22. After we've made sure of that, we come to new teacher. We click on the drop down box and either you can scroll down or type the teacher's name. So here when I scroll down, you will see Nick. I will choose Nick because this is the teacher we are going to assign for this class. Once I choose Nick, it will say that it will change and then we say submit. Once we hit on submit, you will see on top it says your changes have been saved. The other way to also see if our changes have been saved is to scroll down and then see under the list of teacher and class changes. You see here Nick Psych 5 10/22/2017, what we just assigned now. So after we have done with this, we go back to classes. And then we find the next class that we have to assign for the same teacher. Remember that we need to assign two classes that the teacher will teach, same teacher will teach back to back. So again, we find 10/22 on the calendar. Psych 5, you see when you hover on Psych 5, which you have just assigned a teacher for, it will show the teacher's name as Nick. Next, if you hover on Psych 6, which is again a Sierra Vista, you will see there is no teacher. I've clicked on it. Again, right top hand corner. And then I say change instructor. I click on change instructor. Again, I make sure that the date is 10/22. That is the date we want to assign the teacher for. And then I click on the drop down box. I scroll down and then I find Nick. And then I say submit. And then you will see that it says your changes have been saved on top of your screen. Another way to see if your changes have been saved is to scroll down to teacher class changes. And here you will see in the 10/22 under the date and Psych 6, and we see that Nick has been assigned for this class. So now again to scroll up and click on classes. So now let's go back and check under 10/22 Once we go back and check under 22, Psych 5 is Sierra Vista, Nick has been assigned. Psych 6 is Sierra Vista and Nick has been assigned. So this is the way we will assign classes for Sierra Vista Hospital. Again, making sure Saturday, Sunday, Psych 3, Psych 4 on Saturday, Psych 5, Psych 6 on Sunday, and remembering that the same teacher will teach both the classes back to back. Thank you.